landlords, and welcome back to our What's What Wednesday. If you're new here, my name's Michaela. I post all things property management every Wednesday and every Friday. So today our what is actually going to deal with the topic of maintenance, and more specifically, what are the different maintenance categories and the timelines that are associated with those categories. So the what are the different type of maintenance categories and their timelines to fix them. So the first one is going to be pretty straightforward, and those are going to be our emergency maintenance issues. So things such as fire, smell of gas, carbon monoxide detectors going off, an electrical hazard, uncontrollable gushing water leak, anything that would be categorized. So an emergency maintenance would be anything that can be categorized as a sudden, urgent, or dangerous event that is requiring your action immediately. So of course that would be any of those things listed above or anything that falls under that definition. So your a tenant's microwave going out is not considered an emergency maintenance issue. Our next category is going to be the high priority maintenance issues. Now those are going to be the lack of heat, clogged toilet, structural issues such as broken stairs, lights not functioning, the door not being able to lock, any safety or security issues. Those are definitely going to be more of the high priority maintenance, and you definitely want to get those done as soon as possible because your tenant can definitely go after you, and you are definitely liable as a landlord to make sure that your rental property is always habitable and it's safe and secure. So now rolling right into the next category is going to be our what we will call secondary priority. So secondary priority will be the microwave or any other appliances going out, clogged drain or a slow draining shower or bathtub, a smoke detector not working because it needs or not working but is running low on batteries, or the AC going out and not working. So all of those are categorized as secondary maintenance issues. That the easiest way to put this with any maintenance issue is you want to ensure that you're not letting too much time pass before you take care of the issue. But at the same time, if you have other maintenance problems that fall under that higher priority or the emergency priority, you definitely need to make sure that those are handled first. If a tenant gives you multiple work orders for your maintenance to be complete, if there is no hot water, that's definitely going to go over priority regarding your microwave not working, or if your drain in your shower is not draining quickly enough. Like, those things aren't going to be as much of a priority, like the lack of heat or there's no hot water, because those all fall under habitability issues if you don't take care of them right away. Okay, so now the last category is going to be our low urgency category. Now these are like holes in the wall, loose grout, the drawer in the bathroom isn't going out all the way because it fell off the railing or a screw was loose, cabinet doors that are loose off the hinges. Those sort of low priority things, you don't need to get them done. I wouldn't say you don't need to get them done quickly and efficiently, because whenever you're dealing with somebody else's home, you want to ensure that you're getting things done in a timely manner, but they're definitely not as high up on priority like the other ones that I previously listed. Now keep in mind, I am shooting this video with the current COVID situation going on. Keep in mind that there's going to be more maintenance issues for you as landlords from your tenants because everybody is home. And there's more people in the home all at one time. Majority of them are going to be home all day long, especially if they're working from home, especially if they have children. So there's going to be a lot more maintenance issues or a lot more maintenance requests that are being made, and they expect for them to get done pretty quickly, where usually where we could see it being okay for it to take maybe a week for those low or those secondary category maintenance issues to get done. Now we're seeing that they kind of want that turnaround within that 3-day mark, and then If not, they're starting to get sort of antsy, which is understandable. They're here every day, all day long, and if something doesn't work where you live, it's just gonna bug you. So let's just keep that in mind, and keep in mind that you never want to face a habitability issue as an owner. Now, if you don't know what a habitability issue is, in California, by definition, habitability in California, property owners, property investors, and their managers have a legal obligation to provide and maintain basic features in all their housing properties called the warranty of habitability. So this requires the property owners, property investors, or their managers to repair certain kinds of problems regardless of what kind of verbiage is in a lease agreement or rental contract that might make tenants agree to accept dangerous or substandard living conditions. So the California Supreme Court has ruled that when a property owner or property investor does not keep the property in a decent and livable condition, a tenant is justified in withholding the payment of rent. If you would like for me to go ahead and actually list and dive into what habitability means further, I will go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll actually go ahead and do just a separate video on our next What's What Wednesday regarding all things habitability. So let me know, give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to do that, or go ahead and reach down in the comments. Remember, landlords, you are running a business. If you want to see what that all entails, I'll go ahead and link my previous video talking about how you are serving one client every month that you are doing business with, and you want to ensure that your business is running successfully. One of the ways you can do this is to ensure that you are always on top of maintenance requests and you are getting them done in a timely manner, especially if they are in, well, there should be no hesitation if it's an emergency situation, and those high priority maintenance requests definitely need to be taken care of right away without question. Don't sleep on fixing the secondary and the low priority maintenance requests as well, because biggest number one complaint from tenants are, can you guess it? Drum roll please. Brrr. Maintenance not being completed in a timely and proper manner. So landlords, if you want to run a successful business, if you want your tenants to be happy and want to stay a long time, and if you definitely want to make sure that you stay out of the court system and not get in trouble or get sued for a possible habitability issue, please, please, please make sure that you tend to and you correctly and efficiently take care of your tenants' maintenance requests. All right, landlords, that's it for today's What's What Wednesday. Remember, guys, to go ahead and subscribe. If you're new here, we post videos every What's What Wednesday and FAQ Friday. All right, landlords, my name's Makayla, providing you with the higher standard in property management. Bye, landlords.